Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to interact with the 5irechain platform to carry out some functionalities on it. So first and foremost, ensure that you have a very accurate browser. You can have the Chrome browser or the Kiwi browser. I would suggest you go for Kiwi browser and then Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on the Kiwi browser right here. So you're going to search for explorer.fire.network, which we have here. So after the page opens up, you're going to see something similar to where we left earlier. So which is this? And then you're going to click on your tabs and scroll down to your wallet, which you must have installed by downloading it from the 5irechain platform, and make sure you extract the files and then you install it on the system. So let's assume we want to use this wallet for the interaction on their platform. So what you're going to do is you come right here and click on the my account. So you select the wallet you want to use. So I am going to use this wallet here, which is StayMilk Wallet. So you're going to come here, click on the setting. So you have manage wallet right here, and then you have the your username, you have the native chain address, and then you have the EVM chain address. So which one are you going to select? Since you know the faucet from the platform, you're going to click on the native chain address. So after clicking on the native chain address, what you're going to do is you're going to return, you go back to the platform, which we went earlier, that is explorer.fire.network. So once the page opens up, you are going to click on the top left hand side of your phone, which is this place, and it can be in your system. Still the same place you're going to click on. So you're now going to scroll down to faucet. Click on faucet. So after the faucet page opens, you're going to paste the address you copied just now, and then you type 5, which is the maximum you can request from this faucet platform. So click on it. They are going to send the fire chain down to your wallet. So it's saying there's an error temporarily. I wonder what the error is. Okay, it has gone through. You can see transaction is successful. So you just have to wait for some seconds or some minutes rather. It doesn't take up to 2 minutes. Just within a minute, everything is swift. It goes right there to your wallet. So after it goes down to your wallet, let's search. We scroll to our wallet and see if a token has arrived. It's yet to arrive. So let's just reload the page and see if here it is reflected. We have 5 right here. So now let us learn how to swap. Let's click on swap. This is swap right here. So we have from native to EVM chain. Let us type the amount of fire chain testnet token we want to swap to the EVM network. So I'm inputting 1. So after inputting 1, then I am going to click on swap. After clicking on swap, you can see the transaction is completed. So you can take a screenshot of this if you care to screenshot it. So what next can we do? Let's try and inverse the process. So click on these arrows that are parallel to each other. So clicking on it, you can see the network has changed. We've switched from EVM to the native chain. So here, let's type, let's just say 0 0.1. We want to swap 0 0.1 EVM to this network. So the gas fees is very cheap, very low. So let's click on swap again. After clicking on swap again, we will see that the transaction will go smoothly and it's going to show completed. So here's it. You can just screenshot it down if you care. So again, let's check our transaction history. You can see we have the process we've carried out just now. And then let us learn how to transfer token from one wallet to the other. So I went straight to my account the other time and it displayed two wallets. So let's assume I want to send to this wallet right here. Perhaps it belongs to someone. So it is opened. We have stake and word right here. You can see the amount of 5irechain token which is here. So you go to the setting here. After clicking on the setting, click on manage wallet. And after clicking on manage wallet, you are going to copy this wallet address. Either of the wallet address you want. You can send it to EVM and you can send it to native. But right now I want to send to the native network. So I've copied the wallet address. Now let me go back. Notice the total amount of native chain balance here. It is 6.5. So let me go down to this wallet, which is Staymark Wallet, and then going there, I want to send some amount of token to stake a mod account. So let me paste the address I copied right now. And then you can see we have 4 point something of EVM chain token here. So let me input one. Then after importing one, I'm going to click on transfer. So after clicking on transfer, you can see it says completed. And the numbers of coins, of tokens I have here has been reduced. So let's go back to staking world and see the quantity that we have there. You can see we have 13.15 right here. Let us do the inverse process, trying to send from the EVM network to another EVM network. We're going to come to the setting here again, click on manage wallet, and then copy the EVM chain address which is here. And then afterwards, we can now go back. Let's go down to the other wallet, which belongs to Stema Wallet. So when we go there, how much we're going to input the address we copied right now. You can see we have a 0.899 of EVM chain right here. So we are going to paste and type the quantity of token we want to send. I'm going to send a zero point 0.1. It's not going. 0.3. It's not going. Oh, you can see it's an incorrect recipient address. So let's click on EVM right here. Now we'll paste the address here and see. Now it's there. So let me put 0 0.1. Now we have the quantity we want to send. Now let me transfer it. The transaction is completed. What are you going to do? Let's go down to the wallet we transfer the token. You can see it is increased. Now, this is the process on how to carry out transaction in the 5irechain wallet. And then if you care to read about the documentation, what you're going to do here is you just going to search. I think the tab is already open, but let me look for it. Okay, we have it here. We have docs.fi.org. So after opening the docs.fi.org, you can click on the top left hand side of your phone and then you have the wallet installation. So how can you install this metamask? How can you install 5irechain network in metamask wallet? So let's click on metamask wallet right here and we scroll down. You can see we have the documentation here. We have the properties, we have the network details, we have the file, we have network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency, symbol, and extra URL. So here's what we are going to do. Let me open the MetaMask wallet, which we have. I hope it won't take us much time to open. Let's search for letter M. Here is the MetaMask wallet. So by opening the metamask wallet, we're going to import the documentation I showed you just a while, just right now. After the metamask wallet opens, you're going to install the network in it. I hope it doesn't take much time to open. It's still loading up. Let's wait. It's almost more than 30 seconds now, and metamask wallet is here to open. It's here to open. Wonder why. Okay, if this insists, let's go to the QA browser, and then this is what we're going to do. Let's search for the extension of metamask, which is on the browser, which is right here, and then this is the metamask extension right here. So what are we going to do? We want to add a network to it. You click on Ethereum mainnet here, you click on add network. So what network? We are going to add it manually. You click on add a network manually. Now it is open. So let's go back to where the documentation is for the 5irechain network. We have it right here. The 5irechain network, we need documentation. Yes, adding 5irechain to the metamask wallet. So once the page opens, so you can see network name, you click on 5irechain, you come right here to the metamask wallet. So once it opens, you paste it here. Now it's copying the address. Let's go back again to see what's going to happen. Setup process. The 5irechain network for metamask. Yep, this is it right here. So what are we going to copy? We want to copy 5irechain as a name, network name. It's copied. So let's go back here again and see what we can do. Go back to the metamask wallet. So you copy it here. You have the 5irechain. So you go down to and then you're going to pick the URL that is here. Let's copy the link, and then we go back to the metamask wallet, and then we're going to paste the link here. So the URL is currently used by the 5irechain network. Let's see, do we have any 5irechain here? Oh, we already have it installed earlier. So I think what we're going to do is let's cancel it. We're going to delete it so that we can continue with our process here. So let me put K here. So we have it here. So let's come again. Come down to this the setup process. Let's see, for the 5irechain network. Do we still have it here? It's taking much time to do. 5irechain network. Alright, we have 997, which is the chain ID. Then we have the current symbol, which is fire. So let's copy the 997 and go back to our metamask wallet to import those details. So we're back to the metamask wallet. We have 997 hexadecimal chain ID. Then we have is hexadecimal, telling us it has to be number alone. We have 997. So here we have fire. So you're going to type fire here. And then this is optional, but I'll suggest you copy the details as you can see it on the 5irechain network. So let's click on the documentation once again so that we can obtain the last input, which is the Chain Explorer link. So copy the link test, and then we go back to the metamask wallet and paste it and complete the process. So we're going to paste it here. We have save. So this is it. We have the EVM chain. If you notice, you can see we have a zero point 0.8 here and the metamask wallet reflecting on the fire chain. So let us go back to the metamask wallet and see how much is reflecting right there. So we have click on the metamask wallet that we already have installed, and then since it's on the second account, which is StayMac World, now you can see we have roughly 0.7999958. I want to send a token to this EVM chain wallet address and see if it's going to reflect on the MetaMask. So let me click on the, let me copy the wallet address from the MetaMask. The wallet address on the MetaMask is here, so it's copied. So let us go back to the 5irechain wallet. So once the 5irechain wallet opens, so I'm going to click on my account and send some token from staking wallet account. So since it's under EVM network, we click on EVM network, and then we are going to paste the address here. And then what we are going to select is one or any quantity you so desire. So from here, you click on transfer, and let's see what it's going to do. So now we click on transfer. Yes, transfer is completed. So let's go back to the MetaMask wallet and see if the token we sent is reflecting. We have the 1.8 right here. So that's all, guys. It's as simple as ABC. Just follow the procedures and then you're going to see how swift everything will go. Thanks for watching.